In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Webull email. Updating the email linked to your brokerage account is important for receiving trade confirmations, account alerts, and security notifications at the right address. I'll walk you through the process on the Webull website or the desktop app. And along the way, I'll point out a few things to look for so you can complete the change smoothly and securely. Start by signing in at webull.com or opening the Webull desktop application. Use your usual login credentials and make sure you're on a device you trust. Once you're in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon. This might appear as your avatar, your initials, or a small user silhouette. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. In the menu, choose My Account, and then go to Settings. This is where Webull keeps most of the personal and security controls for your profile. The layout can vary slightly between the website and the desktop app, but the path is the same idea. Open My Account, then select Settings to find your account details. Inside Settings, look for a section labeled Account and Security, or sometimes Email/Phone. This is the area dedicated to your contact information and sign-in safeguards. Locate the line that shows your current email address. Next to it, you'll see a Change option. Click Change to begin the update. You'll be prompted to enter the new email address you want to use. Type it carefully and double-check for typos, since this will be the address for future alerts and verifications. After you submit the new email, Webull will send a verification code to your old email or to your phone, depending on your current settings. Retrieve that code, return to the Webull screen, and enter it exactly as shown. Verification codes are time-sensitive, so if one expires, request a fresh code and try again. When the code is accepted, confirm the change to finalize the update. You should see a confirmation message, and in many cases a confirmation email will be sent to the new address as well, letting you know the switch is complete. That's it. By following these steps, signing in, opening your profile, going to My Account and Settings, finding Account and Security or Email/Phone, choosing Change, and verifying with the code, you've successfully updated the email associated with your Webull account, keeping your communications secure and up to date.